Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a website with Squarespace, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Squarespace website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Choose a template that fits your desired aesthetic and functionality. Once selected, click Start with this design. Create an account by entering your email and setting a password. You will be prompted to choose a site title. Input the name that represents your brand or business. Afterward, you will be directed to the Squarespace editor. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the editor. On the left side, you will see options like Pages, Design, and Marketing. Navigate to the Pages section to manage the structure of your site. Click the plus icon to add new pages. Select from options like Blank Page or Gallery to suit your needs. Customize the content of each page by clicking on it. Use the plus menu to add elements such as text, images, and videos. You can drag and drop these elements for easy placement. To edit text, simply click on the text box and type your content. Adjust styles using the design menu on the left. Here, you can change fonts, colors, and spacing. Add a logo by navigating to the branding section. Upload your logo file and adjust its size as needed. Next, it's important to configure your site settings. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. Here, you can set up your domain name. If you don't have one, you can purchase a new domain through Squarespace. Make sure to review SEO options for better visibility. Return to the Pages section to set a homepage. Select the page you want as your homepage and click Set as Homepage. Preview your site by clicking the Preview button at the top. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.